Hello, and welcome to our Halloween special. To be honest, we don't normally do anything special for Halloween as a family, but this year we decided to figure out how to find a deal for tickets to the best adventure we could think of, Universal Studios.
Happy Halloween from the wizarding world of Harry Potter.
I was kind of waiting for the elf to stick his head out. Oh, there he is! Do you see him?
Dobby, oh yeah.
No, it's not Dobby, it's the grumpy one.
Creature.
Creature, yes, that was Creature. Creatures.
I forgot about that.
You forgot? I was like awkwardly staring at the windows, but like it's hard to see actually. Creature pops out of that window right there.
Or did they do it if somebody walks up? Like, checking? Maybe not. I don't know.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh man. Oh, he's walking up.
Oh yeah. You're right. It's when people walk up. Oh my goodness, he popped out again.
That was very well timed.
Yeah. Are you ready? You only ever get to enter Diagon Alley one time for the first time.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be really cool. Supposedly you can hear the bricks cracking as you walk in, like it's opening up and letting you in. Let's go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And we are entering Diagon Alley. Wow. I kind of want to explore every shop.
Diagonal Alley. Diagonal Alley.
Diagon Alley.
Diagon.
There's Gringotts, and here's the Weasley Brothers shop, joke shop.
We have to find the wand shop.
So we didn't grow up like in the Harry Potter world, but we are huge fans of the books now. So I'm gonna kind of explain this from the terms of you don't really know what's going on. So if you don't know what's going on, read the books. If you do know what's going on, this might be boring. But basically, Diagon Alley is the place to get all of your wizarding needs, period. Money, wands, robes, books, everything you would need in the wizarding world. So we're just gonna walk around and kind of explore all the shops. Specifically, I'm very excited about the Weasley Brothers joke shop. But anyway, you ready? You can hear the toilet flushing.
So basically they have a pram parking section. Oh neat, Dayton. This is cute. Where you can park your pram if you want to like walk around and enjoy it. So we'll do that. Look at them all. That's great, thank you.
Let's go get a wand.
We're gonna get a wand.
We're at Ollivander's to get a wand.
Yes.
Look at all the wands here.
Longbottom's wand. Oh boy, I can't open.
You need a wand to open the wand.
Oh my goodness. It's your very first wand. Bubs, let me help, okay? You can take this around places. Look, go. He's trying to make the fire dragon breathe in dragon.
Security and comfort in our fully insured, pure black fur.
He's trying now. Throwing those spells everywhere. Don't stab anybody. Ian, you gotta see it happen. There it goes.
For those of you who don't know, butterbeer is not alcoholic. It's kind of like root beer or something, but it's kind of like, from what I've been told, it's kind of like a soda float. So here it goes. You ready?
Yes.
That's good.
Nice
I like
stash.
it.
It's kind of like a soda float. It really is like that. It's very sugary. And it has a butter flavor, weirdly enough.
It's not like butterscotch to me.
Yeah, almost like butterscotch. Okay, Bubs, here's your turn. Now make sure to get a big mustache of foam, okay? I think he only got foam. What do you think? This is really good, though. Here, have some more. Have some more. That stash is the best.
Our synopsis is you should definitely split this with someone because it's super sugary.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we split one between the three of us, and I'm glad we split. It's a lot of sugar.
He's got the best stash of all of us. Even it looks like it's coming out of his nose. I think maybe some butterbeer went up his nose.
Well, it went all over him.
For our first ride of the day, we got to try out Universal's Child Swap program, which, if you aren't familiar with that, basically what that means is we get to go through the line together as a family, which is cool because their lines are actually really entertaining. And then when we get to the front of the line, one of the parents stays with the child and the other parent goes on the ride. And then when we're done the ride, we come out and we swap. So then the other parent goes on the ride while the first parent stays with the child.
Oh my word! Looking through the glass.
Next up, we couldn't leave Diagon Alley without first getting the fish and chips from the Leaky Cauldron for lunch. It was so good that we totally forgot to film after the food arrived. Also, big tip of the day is to order online through the Universal Studios app. We were seated almost immediately and the food came so quickly.
So we went on the Gringotts escape ride, right? Where you're escaping Gringotts, and it was really good. So basically, you're not allowed to film on the Gringotts escape ride, to the point where the guy threatened that he would stop the ride and remove anybody who filmed it. So I don't know if it's like a top secret thing. Do you think it's like a top secret thing?
Maybe, or copyright.
Or copyright, yeah, maybe, I don't know, but which I wasn't tempted to film it. It was fun without filming it, but I just thought that was intense. I've never heard that about a ride before, where it's like it's very restricted, but it was fun.
It was like, it was dark. I don't know if people know, it was very dark. You had 3D glasses on, so then like sometimes snakes and fire came at you with 3D goggles.
And water hit us.
And water hit me, and then it was dark sometimes. You're just like moving and plummeting in the dark.
Drops.
Yeah, there were some drops, but it was very fun. They're definitely, Ian, like he couldn't because he didn't meet the 42-inch mark.
But even if he had.
Even if he had, mentally it would have terrified him.
Yes. He's been doing good today.
He loves his little one.
We finally found it.
Yeah, station 9 3/4.
One thing that we strongly recommend is to get the park hopper tickets so that way you can take the Hogwarts Express train from Universal's Hollywood to Universal's other park, Islands of Adventure. It technically is a mode of transportation, but really it felt like a ride. And as Ian loves trains currently, this was a win for all three of us.
Are you ready?
Yes. You ready to go to Hogwarts?
Yeah.
It's time to go to school. castle/safety zone?
Oh yeah.
Fortress?
It's about now that we should probably acknowledge that Universal Studios is not all about the wizarding world of Harry Potter. Before we had a chance to explore too much of it though, we found ourselves in, well, if Ian could talk right now, he would tell you that we found ourselves in the best part of the entire park, Seuss Landing.
No baby swap, because he's going on this one as the carousel. Here, you gotta wear your seatbelt.
I do.
He said no matter your age, no matter your size.
I'm riding an elephant.
Please remain buckled.
That was fun, Dayton.
Good, you
I'm a
okay?
wee bit sick though. Bubba, are you ready to get really, really wet? Are you ready? Are you ready to get wet?
Come on in and buckle up tight. Stay in your seat and enjoy your fish flight.
Great, but now I'll bet.
I got really wet.
Had some laughs and shared some fun. If you had fun, do as I tell. Take a big breath and yell! Yell! Come on! Yell!
Welcome back, my fishy friends. Please remain
got
seated
wet.
until you're swimming.
Come on down. Oh no, you can die. You did it.
After Seuss Landing, Ian was so tired, so we decided to let him sit in his wagon for a while and eventually take a nap there while we briefly explored some other areas of the park.
So how was Incredible Hulk?
That was, like, I can see why that's an OG. Like, that was, like, crazy cool.
I actually saw you.
Did you see me squeaming and holding onto my glasses? That was really cool. So it was about a 10-minute wait if you're a single rider.
Got it.
Do you want to go? You do go upside down multiple times.
Maybe if I could take my glasses off, or be blinded.
You could, I would think taking your glasses off seems like a good decision. And you can't bring a phone.
Okay.
No phones allowed.
As evening approached, we knew we wanted to spend the evening in Hogsmeade as we wanted to end our day seeing the light show on Hogwarts Castle. So after exploring a little bit of Marvel Land and Jurassic Park, we headed back over to Hogsmeade. I can't go without saying we love Hagrid and deeply wanted to ride Hagrid's magical creatures motorbike adventure. But amazingly enough, the line was about a 4-hour wait the entire day. The world is missing Robbie Coltrane so deeply after his passing, and it could not be more obvious than by seeing the massive line to be a part of his ride. Thankfully though, we were able to do the child swap for what became our favorite ride of the day, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
We just rode Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, and the ultimate cheat was to do child swap and single rider, because single rider jumps you the line, but then even child swap seemed to jump us even further.
So it was a 45-minute wait, and we waited like
10 minutes.
10, 15 minutes max. That was amazing. And the ride itself was like
Really cool.
really cool.
We had the perfect day here at Universal, and the ending actually was our favorite part together, as often endings hold the sweetest memories. Thank you for joining us for our Halloween special. If you're new around here, make sure to check out my channel and subscribe for more adventures. And just for a small teaser, there might be some Disney Park adventures in the near future, but who knows? See you all next time. Bye!